Good evening, all of you. Can you hear me? We can start. Please reply in the chat box. Are you able to see my screen? Can you hear me? Okay, so let's start. My name is Manish Sharma. I have 14 years of experience in stock market, specialized in technical analysis and option strategies. Can I have your small introduction from how many years you are trading in the market? Just type the number of months or number of years in the chat box. From how many months or how many years you are trading in the market? Mr. Sunil, you have to write 2 years or 2 months, whatever. So in this webinar, we will learn MACD, daily MACD, daily magical MACD strategy. So first of all, tell me how many of you are already using technical analysis? How many of you are already using technical analysis? Please reply. How many of you are already using technical analysis? Or how many of you are using already MACD? So in this webinar, we will learn swing trading more. This will be purely swing trading webinar, not an intraday webinar, purely swing trading webinar. Okay? Yes, purely swing trading webinar. So let's start. We'll start the example with Nifty and BankNifty, then I'll show you the stock options also. How it will work in stock options. Perfect? Okay. So let's see. First of all, we have to add the MACD. So we'll open here BankNifty daily chart. Daily chart I've opened here. Click on FX and click on MACD. Type here MACD. When you click on MACD, it will show up like this. But you have to change the settings. Okay. So go to settings. Do not change the by default settings. This by default settings you don't have to change. Click on style and click here, select the bold, make it bold, dark color. So it will be easy to identify the signals. Okay. So you have to do this setting only. Give color, blue color, dark color, increase the width, give orange color or whatever color you want and increase the width. Okay. And then okay. Can you see now MACD? Please reply. Are you able to see MACD on my screen? I hope you are able to see MACD now on my screen. Easy to visible. Okay. Okay. So let us understand first. Here, I'll show you the theoretical part first of all, and then we'll go for a technical part. Okay. Practical part. So we have given color what? We have given color orange and blue, right? Okay. So blue color is our MACD signal line. Orange line is like this, and blue color line is giving a crossover, sell crossover. At this point, we will sell. At this point, we will take a short trade in Nifty or BankNifty, whatever. Correct? This is our sell setup, MACD sell setup. I hope all of you are able to see my screen. Please reply. Okay, sell setup. Now, where we have to buy, just wait 1 minute. Orange line is like this, and blue color line is like crossover, cross above. Okay, time frame is daily. Time frame is daily. This entire strategy we will apply on daily chart. Daily chart swing trading. This entire strategy we will apply on daily chart only. Daily magical MACD strategy. The strategy name itself tells you the time frame of the chart. Perfect. Mr. Venkatesh. The strategy name itself will tell you the time frame of the chart. Okay. Let's see the example, theoretical part. Here we will buy. Is this part clear? Please reply. It did not work. It will not work on 15-minute chart because I am showing you the daily chart setup. For 15-minute chart, the method will be different. The setup will be different. Okay. First, understand this. Swing trading. Correct? No, you don't have to change the by default settings, Mr. Vinay. Don't change the by default settings. Just make the color dark. Okay, and width we have to increase. So we'll be able to see the signals properly. This is the theoretical setup. Please take a picture of this and reply in the chat box, done. Take a picture in a mobile phone and reply in the chat box, done. Take a picture of this in a mobile phone and reply in the chat box, done. Are you all ready for practical examples now? Please reply. Are you all ready for practical examples? Okay. So let's start. So can you see here a very good sell crossover at this candle, in this candle, and after that a very big fall? Can you see this? Please reply. Are you able to see this? Is it a good trade? What do you say? Exactly in this candle it was a sell signal. Was it a good trade? Good trade. Is it for option selling? Is it for futures? We will take normally option strategy called protective call or protective put, or protective call strategy. Now, if you do not know this strategy, then I'll give you the link of this, how to learn this strategy. I'll give you the link. Just wait 1 minute. Options trading level 1 English course. Yeah. This is the link. You can join this small course. It is just 200 rupees course. And you can learn all the strategies. Okay. It's just a 200 rupees course. You can join where all the strategies are covered. Protective call, protective put, all the strategies are covered. You can see here. Can you see this? Yes, all the strategies are covered in this. Basic strategies are covered. Protective call, protective put, all the strategies are covered. Okay. So normally what we do, naked call put, it will not work. For that, you have to learn another setup. But don't worry, I will guide you all that. All those things, whatever questions you are asking about naked options and the intraday trading and everything, I will answer your queries after the webinar, last 15 minutes. Perfect? Yes. First, understand this strategy. What do you say? Because the topic of the webinar, I cannot change suddenly. See, please understand, it's a pre-planned webinar where I have to go with the flow of the topic of the webinar. See, suddenly I cannot change the topic from MACD to intraday or to naked options. I hope all of you are understanding this part. Suddenly I cannot change the topic, right? I hope all of you understand. So let's complete the strategy first, and then I'll answer your queries. Okay? Yeah. So in this candle, there was a sell setup where I will sell futures and I will buy at the money call option to hedge my future. All of you understood this part? Please reply. I will sell futures here and I will buy at the money call option to hedge my future, to protect my future. That is called a protective call strategy, where you are trying to protect your major positions with call option. Correct? So you're trying to protect your futures with call option. So you will sell futures here and buy call option. If price is falling faster, one lot only, one lot future sell, one lot call buy. One lot future sell, one lot call buy. Absolutely simple. Correct? Okay. Now understand. If prices are falling, will you make good profit in futures? Yes or no? Not good profit. In fact, you will make a huge profit in futures. In futures, you will make huge profit. And your at the money call will become zero. So in net off, will you make good profit? Yes or no? I hope now all of you are getting my point. Perfect. Now understand here. Is it there is a buy crossover in this candle? In this candle, there is a buy crossover. And there is a trend line breakout also. Please reply yes or no. I hope all of you are able to see. There is a trend line breakout also. Can you see this? Trend line breakout also. And if you see a proper price action, I don't know how many of you understand the price action part. Is it a higher low? Please reply. Higher low. And this resistance is crossed. Are you able to understand this? I'll give you the example, another example. Okay. Let's see this. Prices made a high. A higher low is formed. And if it is crossing this high, is it called a breakout? Is this called a breakout? Yes, this is called a breakout, right? Higher low and then a previous resistance is crossed. Perfect. So is it a same setup? Yes or no? Is it a same setup? The previous high is crossed. I hope all of you are understanding this part. Mr. Prashant, Mr. Vinay, are you all understanding this? Please reply. Same setup, perfect, right? And everything is happening with MACD buy crossover. Is it a perfect buy trade? Everything is happening with MACD buy crossover. Now you are able to combine price action with MACD crossover. Correct. So this was a buy candle, this was a buy trade, and you can see here after that prices moved up. After that, Bank Nifty moved up almost 1,000 point, almost 2,000 point. Yes, almost, yeah, 2,000 point. 2,000 point rally. Is it a good rally in Bank Nifty? Please reply. Is it a good rally in Bank Nifty? Yes, it is a good rally. Okay. Let's see now. Another example. Another example. Sorry. Here, a very good buy crossover. A very good buy crossover. I will buy futures here and I will buy at the money put option to hedge my future. Have you understood? Please reply. How to avoid the two lines close to each other? The two lines close to each other. This you are talking about? Mr. Vinay, are you talking about this kind of trade where it is sideways little bit? Yeah, I will guide you. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. One more question is there. Wait 1 minute. One more question is there. Now, shall we buy? Will it go high? See, as of now, if you are asking about the trade, then I will share the trade, but at the end of the webinar. Don't worry. Correct. But please try to understand the strategy first. You want to learn strategy or you want trade for Monday? Please tell me. You want to learn strategy, correct? Yeah. So please understand strategy first. I'll tell you what is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Don't worry. I'll tell you. Okay. Now here, one lot I will buy futures and one lot I will buy at the money put option to protect the downside. So is it my downside is limited? Downside is limited loss. Please reply. Downside is limited loss, correct? If you don't understand, don't worry. It is just a very small course. You can learn all the strategies. It is just a 200 rupees course. I've sent you the link. I hope all of you have received the link. You can learn the basic strategies. Okay. Yeah. So now, buy future and buy at the money put option. After that, prices rallied so much. You can see here, prices rallied so much. Okay. It is from 4th July to entire July month. Entire July month prices are moving up. Can I hold my future? Can I hold the future? And will I make profit? Will I make profit? Yes, I will make profit. And put option will become 0. So still I will make a very huge profit in this trade. Yes or no? And MACD is not giving me any sell signal. So should I hold this? MACD is not giving me any sell signal. So should I hold this? So which expiry we should take? Monthly options. Monthly options. No, you don't have to roll over. See, it is July month. Okay. So you take a trade in July month and carry till the expiry. Absolutely simple. Monthly future you will buy. Future don't have any weekly contract. And monthly options you will buy. Understood? Perfect now. Fresh month, fresh trade. This trade you don't have to carry forward. This trade you don't have to roll over. Fresh month, wait for fresh signal. Correct? Okay. Let's see another example. Now here, prices given a buy here at this point, exactly at this point. Prices moved up. Yes, it moved up. Here it given a sell signal. In this candle, it is given a sell signal. So my buy trade, can I exit here now? And I can reverse my trade. It is almost around cost price only. Correct? Yes. Or I can use another method to trail SL. Have you understood? Please reply. Or I can use another method to trail SL. I hope all of you are understanding. Correct? Let's see another example. Is it giving a good profit and is it giving a very big profit? Please reply. First of all, tell me this. This is the sell signal candle. You can see here. Sell future and buy at the money call option and just hold the trade. Why? Because MACD is not giving me buy signal. Are you all understanding? Why should I hold the trade? Mr. Pankaj Shah, Mr. Vinay. MACD is not giving me buy signal. MACD is telling me it is sell only. So I should hold the short trade. Perfect. If MACD is still bullish face on the day of expiry, should book again and again, take position immediately. No, Mr. Prashant Chaurasia. Now please understand. A day candle, okay? It's a daily candle, right? Each and every candle is of a day candle, entire day. Daily chart means what? Each and every candle is a daily candle. Daily chart means what? Each and every single candle is a daily candle. Okay. So now tell me, crossover is happening or not? You will be able to see at 3 p.m., 3:15 perfectly, or in between at 11 a.m. What will be the perfect time for daily candle? See, in between it can give you buy crossover, but possible at 3:15 it may not give you buy crossover. Understood now? Because you have to wait for the entire candle to get formed completely. Now you understood? Mr. Prashant Chaurasia. Yes. पॉसिबल है 11 बजे आपको सुबह एक बार बाय क्रॉसओवर दिखा दे, लेकिन आफ्टरनून में वापस मार्केट गिरेगा, फॉल आएगा, तो 3:15 को आपको बाय क्रॉसओवर डेली चार्ट पे नहीं दिखेगा. नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया? यस. सो वॉट एवर रिवर्सल सिग्नल्स, or you have to hold the trade or not, that will be decided at 3 p.m. 3:15, not at 11 a.m. Have you understood? सुबह 10, 11 बजे 12 बजे के हिसाब से नहीं चलना है. पूरा कैंडल फॉर्म होने देना है. कंप्लीट कैंडल. Then only you have to decide whether to hold the trade or not. How much capital is required for hedging? Okay, I'll show you the capital requirement. Let's see the capital requirement. Okay, just wait a minute. Let's use Alliance Blue margin calculator. Margin calculator. Derivatives. Entry can be taken at 315, 320 AM only. Yes. See, entry can be taken at that. Right, perfect. But आपको ट्रेड होल्ड करना है या नहीं करना है, ठीक है, रिवर्सल्स, दैट ऑल्सो विल बी बेस्ड ऑन 315 ओनली. समझ में आ रहा है? एग्जिट विल ऑल्सो बी डिसाइडेड एज पर 315. यस, एग्जिट भी आपका 315 के हिसाब से ही डिसाइड होगा. इन बिटवीन आप ऐसा एग्जिट नहीं कर सकते कि अरे आज मेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं है तो मुझे एग्जिट करना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. समझ में आ रहा है? 315 को कैंडल क्या बन रहा है उसके हिसाब से ही एग्जिट डिसाइड होगा. Perfect. I'll show you the margin. Don't worry. Let's say, for example, Bank Nifty we are selling. Okay. For example, sell Bank Nifty futures. No. First trade will be at the money call buy. So at the money call, let's say, for example, I'm buying 41,000 call. Buy. So first I will buy call option. Then I'm selling futures. What is the margin? Can you see total margin, and am I getting margin benefit? Am I getting margin benefit? Please reply. What is the total margin? You can read here. This is the margin required for taking a position that can also be held overnight using normal product. So this is a carry forward margin. Have you understood? 27,000, one lot. Is it a very high margin? Is it a very high margin? But we have to do in a sequence. Yes, first buy options, then sell futures. Perfect. First buy options, then sell futures. That is a perfect sequence. For buying futures, first buy put option and then buy future. Understood? First buy put option and then buy futures. I hope all of you are understanding. Perfect. 27,000 is a tradable margin. Retail trader have this much margin. Correct? Yes. Okay. Now let us understand the strategy again. Okay. Now tell me, this strategy will give you profit in trending market only? This strategy will give you profit in trending market only? Most likely it will give you profit in trending market, where the market is trended. Okay. But when the market is sideways, see, when the market is sideways, you may get trapped in a zigzag. Can you see? When the market is sideways, this is the trap. So how to avoid this trap? Now this is the next question. Yes or no? How to avoid this trap? If you are able to avoid this trap, you will be able to capture the bigger moves. Agree or not? How we can identify that sir, we will enter the trade when we see the crossover. You have to see the crossover first of all, but the second condition is whether it will be trended or not. How to identify? So, sir Vinay, please try to understand. Correct. That is the question, right? You have to take trade when there is a crossover at 3:15 p.m. day end candle. Correct. Yes. Now apply ADX. Yes, Mr. Pankaj, your answer is right. So now add ADX for double confirmation. ADX. Apply ADX. Give the color black, dark black color. and mark a horizontal line here, ADX above 24. We want ADX above 24, that's it. If ADX is below 24, I will not take a trade. Absolutely simple. Have you understood? Please reply. If ADX is below 24, I will not take a trade. If ADX is above 24, then only I will take a trade. Perfect now? Have you understood? Yes or no? Correct. Let's see now combination example. We'll see a combination example now. Okay, combination example. Sell crossover. What is the ADX value? Is it 35? Can I take a trade? ADX value is 40. Can I take a trade? Answer is yes, I can take a trade. There is a trended market and you can see here fall. Perfect trade, please reply. Perfect trade, Mr. Vinay. Okay, here, Mr. Aditya, Mr. Dheeraj. Sorry, what is the ADX value here? 21, 20. ADX value 20, less than 20. ADX value less than 20, sideways market. Should I take the trade or avoid the trade? Please reply. Avoid the trade or take the trade? You have to tell me. ADX value is 18, 20. Now you are understanding when not to take the trade. When not to take the trade. So because of this, you will save your capital from losses? Yes or no? If ADX above 40 means MACD shows sell signal. No, Mr. John Den. No, that is not like that. ADX means, okay, then you don't know what is ADX. Okay. Understood. Okay. So if you don't know what is ADX, don't worry. ADX is very simple. Above 24, it's a trended market. There is a trend. Trend can be of two types. Uptrend or downtrend. It can be anything, but there is a trend in the market. ADX below 22 or 20, below 22 or 20, then it's a range bound market, or you can say a sideways market. Have you understood this part? Please reply now. Have you understood this? Please write it down this. Note it down in your notebook or whatever, somewhere. Perfect? Okay, let's see more examples now. I hope I'm explaining in a simpler language. Okay, let's see Nifty examples. Okay, let's see Nifty examples. I hope I'm explaining in a simpler language. All of you are able to understand. Just show the ads on chart. How to add? Click on FX, and here ADX. Okay, this you are telling. Okay, this. Okay. See, this entire webinar recording, how many of you want recording of this webinar? Please tell me, how many of you want recording of this webinar? Do you want recording of this webinar? Okay. So you will get the recording of this webinar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, it will be available on my YouTube channel today evening. Yes. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. There is an English channel separately is there, but you can subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. This is my YouTube channel. You'll get the webinar recording here. Don't worry. I have separately English channel also, English language channel, where I upload this. You can see here, this is my English channel. Hi, this is Manish Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll give you my small introduction. This is my English channel where I upload the English videos, English language videos. And that was my Hindi channel. Perfect. Okay. So yes, you can subscribe. Okay, let's start again. We'll see more examples and we'll see Nifty example now. I think there was some questions. Just wait. What was the question? Okay, sir, but I want to know that I took position assuming MACD crossover. Okay, already active and I'm profit on at the same day. The MACD still showing uptrend, but you don't have to roll over. See, as per the strategy, you cannot roll over. Rollover is not allowed. Correct. Whatever profit it is showing at the end of the month on expiry day, monthly expiry day, you book profit and close the trade. That's it. And wait for the fresh signal in next month. Have you understood the strategy? Please write down the rules. Yeah, book profit and exit. Wait for fresh signal in next month. Perfect. Okay. How much is the max loss here? Is it undefined? No, there is a limited loss because you are trading a hedging strategy. So losses will always be limited. Correct? I think you do not know protective call, protective put strategy, Mr. Sanket. You do not know protective call, protective put strategy. Both the strategies are limited loss strategy. Limited loss strategy. Both the strategies are limited loss strategy. Reward is unlimited because you are buying futures. So reward is unlimited. Yes, in both the strategies. Both the strategies, risk is limited and reward is unlimited. In both the strategies. Perfect. Okay, let's see now. Here. We'll see more examples. At the money options. At the money. You have to hedge with at the money. Only at the money. Yes, you have to hedge with only at the money. Okay. Now here it has given a buy crossover. I cannot take a trade here because it is at 18. So I will wait for 24. Let it cross 24 here. And then I will take a trade. Here I will take a trade. Correct? It has not given a sell crossover. So I will hold my trade. And will I make a good profit? Please reply. Will I make a good profit? Sir, please explain in brief. I missed earlier 15 minutes. Don't worry. The entire webinar recording will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. I've already sent you the YouTube link. My YouTube channel link already given. Correct? Can I apply on 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart? No, you cannot apply. Your direct question is, intraday strategy will be different. Correct? Intraday strategy will be different. So that is your direct answer to the question. Okay. Let us understand. This is a completely swing trading strategy. First of all, again, I'm telling, I'm not teaching here intraday. I'm teaching here swing trading strategy. Okay. If you want to learn intraday, I will guide you. Don't worry. But at the end of the at the end of the webinar, last 10 minutes. Okay. What about gap up, gap down in next nowadays? Doesn't matter. Gap up, gap down doesn't matter. Why? Because at any point your loss is limited. So you will get scared. Tell me, Mr. John, will you get scared? Will you get fear? At any point of time your loss is limited. At any point of time your loss is limited. Loss is limited. The strategy loss is limited. Correct. And you have to stick to the MACD rule. Simple. If, see here, I'll give you the example. Okay, understood. Intraday, I will guide you at the end of the webinar, last 10 minutes. Okay, don't worry. Now understand. Please understand this. Okay, please understand. Here MACD given a buy crossover. Please reply in this candle. Mr. John, MACD given a buy crossover, buy signal. Please reply. Yes. Will I buy future and will I buy at the money put? Will I buy future and will I buy at the money put? Please reply. All the students, please reply. I will buy future and I will buy at the money put. All the students, please reply yes or no. Yes, perfect. After that, now please listen this. Please listen this. After that, there is a gap down. Can you see, Mr. John? There is a gap down. There is a gap down. Prices started falling. Prices started falling. MACD given a sell crossover, or MACD still telling you it is a buy? Is it MACD still telling you it is a buy? MACD not given a sell signal. So should I hold my trade? What I have to do? Should I hold my trade? Hold the trade or exit the trade? What should I do? Can you tell me? All of you agree with my point? Hold. Perfect. Hold. After that, prices again moved up. Again, there is a gap down. Mr. John, again, there is a gap down. Now, please listen this. Again, there is a gap down. Again, prices fall a little bit. Is it MACD given a sell crossover? Is it MACD given a sell crossover? Sell crossover? No. Sell crossover. Please sell. After the trade, you don't have to see ADX. Again, I'm telling, please understand. ADX you have to check only when you are taking the entry of the trade. Exit or hold, you will not see ADX, Mr. Subramaniam. Correct. Here, don't buy, Mr. Frodin Joseph. Now, please understand. Here, you don't have to exit the trade. You have to hold the trade. Yes or no? Because MACD not given the sell signal. So, why should I exit? Why should I exit? Tell me, are you all understanding this? Should I hold the trade or exit the trade? You have to answer me. Please reply. At this point, at this candle, MACD not given a sell signal. Hold the trade or exit the trade? All of you agree? Hold the trade. Perfect. After that, prices gap up. Again, hold the trade, Mr. John. Again, hold the trade. Hold the trade. After that, rally started. You will hold the trade and you will remember this webinar and you will thank me. Yes or no? I hope you understood. Now you understood in a better way. Correct. Only MACD crossover. Focus on only MACD crossover. That too on 315. Don't have to see histogram. No. Remove histogram. Don't have to see histogram. Exit also based on MACD. Yes. Only while taking the entry, you have to check ADX. ADX is used only when the entry is taken, not exit. Perfect. Okay. Let's see another example. How many of you want stock examples? Please reply. How many of you want stock examples? Do you want stock examples? Does this strategy work in commodity? Answer is yes. But in commodity, the options will be problem. Liquidity will be problem. But first of all, tell me, are you all enjoying the webinar? Am I explaining in a simpler language? Are you all liking the way of explanation? Am I explaining in a simpler language? Are you all able to understand it? Okay. There are many questions actually in between, but I'm trying to explain in a simpler language. Okay. So let's see. Reliance example. How many of you want to see Reliance example? Please reply. Let's see Reliance example. This example you can see. This example you can see. See this example. Oh my God. What a fall. What a fall. Just see this. At this point, in this candle, there was a sell crossover. If you are late, little bit late, and this, don't worry. You will get the entire webinar recording on my YouTube channel. I've already sent you the YouTube channel link. Correct? How to exit? You have to exit when the opposite signal is on MACD. Simple. When the opposite signal is on MACD. So if you are taking a short trade and if MACD is giving a buy, then you have to exit. MACD given a buy, then you have to exit. Simple. Perfect. Okay. So here what trade you will take? Can anyone tell me here what will be the trade? No. Again, I'm telling ADX will be used only when entry of the trade. Only at the entry of the trade you have to use ADX. Here what trade you will take? Can anyone tell me? Mr. Vinay, Mr. Rajesh, Mr. Dheeraj. Future sell and which call buy? Which call buy? If MACD. No, there are at the money call buy. Very good. Correct. Okay, there is one more question. I don't know what is the question. Prashant Chaurasia is asking if MACD signal is generated 2-3 days before monthly expiry, what to do as the rally running beyond expiry day? So obviously, if 2-3 days remaining for the expiry, so will it be much better if I take a trade directly in the next month, next contract? It's very simple, right? What question you are asking, Mr. Prashant Chaurasia? It's a simple common sense question. If 2 days remaining for expiry, then obviously we will take trade in the next month. Yes or no? Very simple question. Correct. Future sell, buy at the money call. Perfect. Now just see this. Mr. John, again, just see this. Prices fallen. Prices moved up. MACD is still telling you sell. Please reply. MACD is still telling you sell at this point also. Please reply. So should I exit the trade or should I hold the trade? Should I exit the trade or should I hold the trade? Hold the trade. Perfect. Again, prices fall started. Again, hold the trade. Again, hold the trade. In this candle, it has given a buy crossover at this candle, in this candle, somewhere around here. Can I exit my trade here? Still, I will make a good profit. Yes or no? No. It has crossover is given, right? Opposite direction is opposite crossover is given. That is the reason why I am exiting the trade. Perfect. Understood? Okay. Okay. So now the question is how to intraday and everything. Okay. So first of all, tell me how many of you have account in ALGO? You have already account in ALGO? This is my YouTube channel. I'll give you my YouTube channel link. Okay. Yeah, you can automate this. Yes, everything you can do automation. Don't worry. In fact, I've done automation of this. So I'll guide you. Don't worry. Everything I will guide you. But this is my YouTube channel. Again, I'm sending you link. Okay. This is my YouTube channel link. You can subscribe to English channel because this webinar recording I will upload on English channel. Okay. So for example, this is the video. Any example I will just open here. And randomly I'm just opening the video. And go to description. Here, go to description. Are you able to see here ALGO account opening link? Okay. Hope you received my account opening link, ALGO account opening link. Have you received this link? Please reply. Received? Okay. Now, this is my course website link. This is my course website link. Okay. I'll give you the detail. Don't worry. I'll give you the detail. Technical Analysis English Language course. A recorded course. Wait 1 minute. I'll tell you the offer. First of all, I'll tell you the offer so that you will not miss the offer. Okay. I don't want that you miss the offer. So I'll give you the detail first of all. Technical analysis, English language course. Yeah, this is the course, English language course. Can you see this technical analysis English language course? English language course. Can you see this? Okay. I'll show you the content also. I'll show you the content. Basic of technical analysis, Dow theory, importance of trendline channels, types of tradings, 3 triangle breakouts, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, indicators, oscillators, 5-star trading setups, risk management, stock selection, gap theory, multi-time frame analysis, intraday swing trading, BTST covered, candlestick patterns covered, chart patterns covered, stock scanner will also be provided, tweezers, hammers, VWAP for intraday trading, parabolic star, Heikin-Ashi to find clear trends. Everything is covered with complete price action. And the offer of this is, if you open account through our link in Allies Blue. Now, please listen this carefully. If you open account in Allies Blue through our link, okay, I've already sent you the link, then you will get this course, entire course, absolutely free of cost. Again, I'm repeating, absolutely free of cost. Everything you will learn, entire thing you will learn free of cost. This is the offer of the webinar. Entire course is available in English language also. Separately, it is available in Hindi language also. So ये पूरा कोर्स आपको फ्री में मिल जाएगा. आपको सिर्फ हमारे लिंक के थ्रू अकाउंट ओपन करना है अलाइज ब्लू में. आपको लिंक मिला होगा. Correct? If you don't want to open the account, this is a recorded course. This is not a live batch. This is a recorded course. Okay, this is a recorded course, not a live batch. If you want to go for live batch, then you will get the details on this number. Kindly WhatsApp on this number to get the details of live batch. To get the details of live batch, live online batch, okay, live online batch. Yeah, it is starting from 1st November. It is starting from 1st November. The website link is this. Yeah, intraday, everything is covered in this. Don't worry. Intraday and everything is covered. Don't worry. Yeah, just drop a hi message on this number. Tell my reference name, Manish Sharma, and you'll get the details. Don't worry. Perfect. Live online batch. It is starting from 1st November. Live online batch. Yes. Perfect. But have you enjoyed the webinar? Have you understood the strategy? Any question regarding this strategy? Any question regarding this strategy? Any question regarding this? Live batch is 10 days course. It's a complete 10 days course. Live online batch. I will be teaching live. But that is a paid course. That is not free course. Recordings will get free of cost if you open account through our link. Correct? Yes. Yeah, BankNifty intraday is covered in the entire course. Intraday, the everything is covered. In entire course, this recorded course, everything is covered. You have to just open account in Allies Blue. That's it. Correct. You can open account in any other family member name. Any other family member name. Yes. There is some question regarding the strategy. Okay. So let's answer the question. Someone want to see the example of BankNifty again. Okay. So let's see example of BankNifty more. Let's see example of BankNifty more. More clarity is this. Okay. Let's see more clarity. Yeah, you can zoom it more so you'll get a better signal because I've done a zoom out to this. So you will not get that much clarity. See, you have to zoom it. So the smaller moves also it is giving a good profit. Correct? It is giving a good profit. Options buying course, English or options trading course, English course. No. The course content is same. Language is different. Courses are available to separate language. English course is separately available. Hindi language course is separately available. Content is same. Content is almost same, 90% same. correct? If you already have an account, then you can join our this live batch. You can just drop a WhatsApp hi message on this and you'll get the details. Live batch is starting from 1st November. Live batch is starting 10 days course. Yes. It's a 10 days course live. And you will get one more thing is, one more thing I forgot to say. You will get 1 month live market webinar with us. So how many of you want to trade with me in the live market? Live market. How many of you want to trade with me? Live market for 1 month. For 1 month. Daily 2 webinars. There is a separate morning webinar is there. Afternoon webinar is also there. Separate. There are daily 2 webinars. Yeah, daily 2 webinars. Course price, the live online batch cost you are asking, Mr. Venkatesh? Are you asking live online batch cost? This entire thing is cost is 8,000 rupees including GST. 8,000 rupees including GST. Capital requirement is 40 to 50,000. 50,000 will be enough, yeah. 50,000 will be enough. I've already shown the strategy, right? I hope you remember this. So we do hedging. So when you are doing hedging, the margin requirement is lesser. That is the reason I'm telling you 50,000 is enough. Yes, if you open account through our link, then the entire course, recording course will be given free. Live course, there is a charges because I'm giving you my time. 10 days I will teach you live. And along with that, you will get 1 month live market webinar with me. So you will trade with me for 1 month. Live trading, yes. Daily there will be 2 webinars. Separate WhatsApp group. Yeah, private WhatsApp group will be there. Mentorship students, yes. Okay. Have you understood the strategy? Have you enjoyed the webinar, today's webinar? I hope all of you enjoyed today's webinar, understood this strategy perfectly. At least try to make some profit with the strategy, correct? And once you make profit, then you can join our course. Perfect. Once you get confidence, then you can join our course. Use your profit to spend on your learning. All of you agree with my point? What do you say? Again, I will repeat. Use your profits to spend on your learning. Correct? See, I also follow the same rule. Okay. If I'm making, let's say, 1 lakh rupees profit, then normally I do 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees course. Spend 15 to 20% of the capital on your learning. So to upgrade yourself as per the market structure. Understood? Yeah, as of now, I'm learning ALGO trading. I'm learning Python as of now. So as of now, I'm learning this Python. Yes. Okay. So thanks a lot for attending the webinar. Thanks a lot giving your valuable time. I hope all of you enjoyed the webinar and happy trading all of you. Happy trading all of you. See you in the next webinar.